3C IT Solutions and Telecom India Limited Pune na Savitribai Phule Pune University and AMD University ka kusamana senduna Academic Accelerator Program ama JW Merit SB Road Pune da ngasi pangthokri program adu AMD University gi India da pangthokpa ahanba event ni thoramadu gi pandamdi Advanced Technology Sijanaduna Artificial Intelligence Center of Excellence Development Quantum Computing Cyber Security Practical Skill Based Teaching Tauduna Academics Researchers amasung industry punna chabinabani nomagi oiba thorum aduda distinguished academicians administrators and research scientists kayana sarugyaki thorum aduda Premier National Research Institution kayagi director sing Savitribai Phule Pune University Shivaji University Kolhapur Resli University Balaji University amadi atopa miyamna sakhangnaraba university kayagi vice chancellor sing sarugyaki duna cutting edge technology amadi platform ama semduna education system da wonba kaya puraknaba khananai nakhi 3C IT Solutions and Telecoms India Limited na mamang chahida India ki ahanba oina established tawkiba AMD Center of Excellence na India ki tongan mafam chama henbada electric vehicle setup Internet of Things modules robotics automation amadi anoba technology kayagi matangda practical teaching program pangthoki sarugyakiba singna hagolakliba mahir singda matamga chunaba industry da mathotaba practical experience sing lehanba asina makoina malengi thakta competition tawduna mangzil thaba ngamgani haina phongdoki AMD University na India da lairiba college amasung university singasi 3C IT solution na connecting and facilitating partner orega academic amasung research collaboration tawina bagi pamba phongdoknaki Ranjit Mayangba Managing Director amasung Founder 3C IT Solutions and Telecom India Limited na hauragliba naha amadi students singda practical teaching ki kanaba amadi tangai fadaba kaya palladuna sarkar gi institution sing school amasung college sing yauna haujiki matamga chunaba technology infrastructure sangatpa tangai fade 3C IT Solution na darkar laiba mateng khudima pinanaba matam pumba thong hangduna lai haina phongdoki